Kubor nakaslem jong Nongsan Hima.
Director Jangka Northeastern Indira Gandhi Regional Institute of Health and Medical Science, Dr. Nalin Mehta, Henekasngi ulapende ban ayaka booster dose. Komshi banta ban penklan shushu yakamen ban Ïada na ujing pang bathamai Omicron. Habayakren bat kinong thok kubor. Uong bakajing IT ka mentakasngi kalong kabayat ben. Baladon kumba prapu hinyaw lene prapu prangun kibriu kibayo ya utika COVID shield. But arphongut kibayo ya Dawai ko vaccine. Habakali hakanu karukom kabala penlong ya ban aya kane katika. Ulaya thu balayo jingtep lang baka message ne ka COVID portal. Ban ay sa uni Dawai kabala penlong ya ban let ay. Ulakan turu iki Nongtrei ka Koit ka Khiah ban ya Shim ya kane ka Dawai ban pen klan shushu ban Ïada Ïalade na kane ka klam.
In fact, today we had our vaccination program is going on very robustly. We had 87 to 88 people who received the Covishield and around 20 odd who received Covaxin, because we are doing it for 15 to 18. But coming to this protection being offered with the third dose, two cases I know, one who received Covaxin and the other was Covishield. I received my Covaxin today, because I had an SMS, so you can imagine how robustly the national agencies are working. The COVID portal sent me a message for my booster dose today, and I just got it about an hour back. And there was another colleague, faculty colleague, who was instructed to take a Covishield because he has had his second dose and a considerable gap, as has been prescribed. And I was speaking to a few others who have had both the doses and are due for the third. They will be taking it up in the next few days. The regular, because we are catering for 15 to 18. So we have around 106 people who got the 15 to 18 age group vaccine. It is prescribed to take it almost 40 weeks after the second dose.
9 months.
So it comes to
9 to 10 months.
9 months. Okay.
32 to 40, that little range is being given. So